Hi, this is Jane from ArcLab, a mobile training platform that is built for the deskless workforce. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the feature available for you to customize your free module with ArcLab. Let's get right into it. So over here, you'll be greeted with a free template whenever you create a new module with ArcLab. So go ahead and give your module a title. So for me, I'd like to get started with how to get started with ArcLab. On the right panel, there's a few things that you can do with the font on your title page. So for instance, I like the font size to be a little bit bigger, so I can go for large. Text alignment centered, that's fine for me. Display media, maybe on the first page I'll not be adding any pictures, but feel free to go add some new media if you like. Next, as this is a freemium product, there will be some ads that are inbuilt in our free modules. But you could just go ahead to upgrade to Pro if you want to remove it. So over here, you can add in more information into your module. So perhaps I could add in information such as what is ArcLab? ArcLab is a mobile training platform built for the merciless workforce. Next, fun part to ArcLab is that you can actually sprinkle a little bit quiz into your module. So maybe I would like to test my learners on what is ArcLab. So what is ArcLab? Question 1, a mobile training platform. Desktop training. So I could actually add in the correct answers here. So number option 2, text alignment, show current score, yes, yes. Time limit, yes. Perhaps I don't need 2 minutes, so maybe 30 seconds will do. So no retry, display, yep, yes. Right. The mobile training platform built for the testers work. Right. You could actually add in more question if you want to, but since I don't have much question, I'm just gonna delete this page. In order to delete a screen, you can head over to this icon and click on this bin. Confirm to remove this screen, and there you have it. The screen is removed. So I can even ask questions such as, "What? How do you find this module?" For instance. And at the end, your learners do get a tiny little award for the completion of the module. So you can end off with a summary on some key takeaways. So key takeaway of what is ArcLab. And there you have it. This is the end of the template that you are working with. So before I send it out, I could actually preview it and see how the project looks like before it goes live.